In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Surfstich promo codes. So let's get started. Surfstich is an online clothing store where you can buy all different types of accessories, for example shirts, pants, shoes, and etc. So I'm going to show you guys on how you can get a discount while shopping online on this website. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to go to Google and search up Surfstich promo code and enter. Okay, so once that is done, you're gonna go to the first website which says coupon case. So I'm gonna click on it and wait for it to load. Alright, so once it's open, the first one says 10% off on all orders. So if you click on it, it's gonna show you the code that you need to get 10% off. And this is the code right here, so you can copy the code and then go on the website and shop. Well, there's another offer which says 20% off on all orders above $150. So you can just click on it again and copy the code from there, and yeah. So now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more. So you can scroll down and go to this website, coupon follow. Once you're here, as you guys can see, this one right here, 30% off. Surfstich promo code 30% off at checkout. So you can just click on it, get the code, and proceed to checkout with a 30% discount. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.